Let's do a shop my stash, shall we? I haven't done one of these videos in a while. This is Theresa, aka 50 plus 2013. Hope all is well. I picked up this storage thing unit from the secondhand store. It's originally from IKEA, and I've been storing my makeup in it, and I just put everything imaginable in it, so I haven't had it to like go through it and change up for a weekly shop my stash or a monthly. It's probably been about a good 2 to 3 months since I had this. The top row I kind of had foundations and concealers. The second row I had powders, and the third shelf I had stuff like tools, well, like primers and setting sprays. And then the last shelf I had things to do with the eyes, like eyeshadow, eyelash primer, what do you call it, the eyeliners, and scissors or whatever. And then on the very bottom shelf I just had my daily face lotion and mirror. And off to the right you're gonna see that I have a bunch of foundations, and those foundations just been all clumped in there since I did my last video talking about my foundation collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out what I'm gonna use for shopping my stash for the upcoming month and put the rest back. But these are just the foundation. It's just a hodgepodge and a mess. A few of them are really old, so I'm just gonna use those for filming. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and take out what I'm gonna be using. So moving on, let's go ahead and I'm just gathering up some baskets here, and for the purpose of taking the stuff off of the shelf, and a cup to put all the pencil type things in. I'm just gonna take everything out of the cabinets, out of the shelves, because we'll start fresh from there. My stash, I like to clean up everything, so I'm just cleaning up everything, taking out dirty brushes, putting in clean brushes, and it's like I need everything to start like I have a fresh batch set up, and I'm happy I'm doing it because it's the first week of the month. These are the dirty brushes and the Ziplocs that I usually travel with, so I'm gonna sit that in here, and I just was going to take the dirty brushes out and put them in there, but I can just switch pots. Will be easy. Some makeup wipes, I didn't know that were under there. I'll go ahead and leave those. Like I said, a mirror. And I usually have a couple of mirrors under there. Then I'm gonna wipe it off, put some new paper on here, and then start shopping my stash. So all I did was get some wrapping paper that I got on markdown, I don't even know when, and I just cut it up in pieces with these scissors and pulled out the drawer and tacked it on. And then you see how the rest of the drawers, they have the pink paper in it. I'll go closer so you can see. And this is what it looked like prior to that. So with the paper, it's just an easy change up. And then I had to get the Mr. Clean eraser to kind of get the makeup off the edges that looked like it didn't want to come off. So I finished detailing those, and I'm going to go ahead and put the paper on this one. So when I get done with my shopping my stash for my makeup for this month, because it isn't a makeup for the week. Obviously, I had this set up for a while. So I'm going to say my makeup for the month of May. Shopping my stash. I'm going to watch this movie, Eat, Pray, Love. I seen it years ago when it came out. And I think that I have paid attention to it, but I remember somebody saying the movie changed their life. So I was discussing with my youngest daughter, and she was saying, no, it's not even like that. And I didn't think so either, but I'm going to get ready for bed after I'm done shopping my stash and put the movie on until it's ready for me to hop into my bed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and proceed. Right here, we have the stuff that's going to be moved out into, my main makeup stash, because it's been sitting on the sink for a long time too, annoying me. The foundation wise, I'm going to put that on the top shelf right here, and I'm going to go ahead and use this one because I contour with it sometimes, so I'll leave that in there. And this foundation is almost gone, this one's almost gone, and this one's almost gone. So I think it's only fair to go ahead and get these used up. So this is the Super Stay by Maybelline. I love it. And this one is by Rimmel. I think I love it too. And this is my latest favorite right here, the Fit Me. So, because I just loving the wear of it. So this is the foundations. And then, of course, I have a face primer right here. I'll put that one in there. Another face primer right here. And I don't even know how long I had that, so it's best I go ahead and try to use that up. So that's the foundation section. And because I have such a small amount this time, I didn't just pile it all in. I guess I don't need as much space, so I'm going to have the setting spray here and here, along with the eyelid primer. Let's see. I don't know how to do this. How would I do this? Okay, so the face type stuff. All right, let me do this over. So all of this would be, these would be at the top because that's all the stuff that goes on first. Secondly, I would do powders. And then the eye cream would go up there too. And then I would do this I use for not conceal. Well, I do conceal. I do my under eyes. So this would be like the powder and under eye section. Because I want to get rid of these things here. I've been having them for a while. This is, while we're at it, this is MAC Prolong Wear. This is Hard Candy Setting Spray. And this is LA Girl Concealer. And this is NYX Concealer. And this is just some setting powder. So then I'm gonna let that do, even though that's not right, because I feel like I should move that. I can just leave that sitting up there. You don't have to have a spot. And then the next would be everything to do with my eyes, I guess you could say. On my eyes, I'm gonna finish up that mascara. I'm not loving it. I wanted to use, I haven't used eyeliner in a long time, so I think I'm gonna use an eyeliner. This is by Maybelline, and then this eyeliner is a Mally. Black eyeliner, and this is who's it by? A Super Skinny Eye Marker. And then this would be for my brows because I found this. I forgot I had this. I ran out of just the pencil type that I really was enjoying. So I'm going to try to finish up this. In fact, I have two of those. One's not even open. And then I'm going to use this sleek blush for blush and eyeshadow. I mean, I don't know. I'm just want to keep it simple. Then I have this lip gloss. It's really shiny that I'm really loving. And I don't know how long I had it because it's, yeah, NYC. And it's real glossy. So I have my clean brushes up and out. And I have this changed up for May. All right, this is the final setup for shopping my own makeup. And I ended up using the third drawer for the section when I'm just filming, like if I didn't leave the house that day and I want to put on something and take it off. That's the drawer that I'm going to be using that stuff. So I have some like BBCC cream here that I can use, the MAC powder that needs to get finished, and some Mally, and all of this will be the section that's dedicated for filming. And this would be my actual makeup that I would wear on a daily basis. So there you have my brushes, and they go in there as they get dirty. And then I have this little setup right here, and it's just some sponge type things, the setting spray and lip gloss and a lip liner should I decide to put some lipstick on. But after that, that's it, guys. Anyways, there you have it. There is my Shop My Makeup. So thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next video.